Noise coming from the bearings?
Yeah.
Is this like a loud rush, like a boom or rush or a click, 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 or like what kind of?
Clicking is one. When
Okay.
bearings are failing, sometimes they'll click. The other one, it's like a drone, like a,
Oh,
and then
okay.
as you turn, the noise kind of changes. It'll change pitch or it'll just go away.
Okay.
That's pretty common with bearings. If they're really bad coming apart, they'll also grind. So it'll sound like metal grinding together.
Okay.